Welcome to our channel where we dive into the world of creative design and explore the possibilities of reclaimed timber. In this video, we will guide you through an optimized journey, impact the expert tips and creative ideas to help you harness and the potential of great wood. When it comes to Fleetwood, we are truly embracing sustainability and its concept of uncycling fuels. Once use of transporting wood can be transferred into sting pieces of furniture, decor, and even ethical elements. The technique, character, and pieces of furniture decor and even architectural elements are unique character and further charm for retained would bring to the sense of warmth and authenticity of any space. Firstly, let's talk about sourcing plate food while in many seems easy to stumble upon these carded plates. Not all the suitable for your project. Look for ones marked with the International Plate Protection Convention logo indicating they were heat treated rather than chemically treated. Heat treated plates are safer to work with and will minimize the risk of potential chemical exposure. Preparing plant food for your design is essential for both safety and aesthetic. Being by carefully disassembling the plate, ensure you remove all nails and staplers. Once disassembled, impact the wood. Any sign of demand for rot it's critical to address this issue before proceeding. Sanding the wood in the next step, removing through edges and creating a smooth surface for your finished pieces. Additionally, this process reveals the unique texture and green pattern hidden beneath the brown exterior. How that you have prepared your plate would let your creativity take center stage. The possibilities are truly endless, but we'll explore some popular design ideas to inspire you. One option is crafting custom furniture pieces like coffee tables, benches, to even bed frames. Juxtaposition of the weathered wood with modern elements will create captivating visual impact. Another fantastic idea is creating well-art accent panels by arranging the wood in different patterns and size. You can achieve stunning geometric design that are detected when worn. For those with agri thumb, their wood can be transformed into unique planters are the vertical gardens. The natural appeal of the wood complements the vibrant color of the plant, creating organic and harmonious display. If you are feeling adventurous, consider building outdoor structure like pergolas or just furniture using plant food. These additions can transform your backyard into the inviting idea for the relaxation and entertaining. Remember, playful design is not limited to indoor or outdoor space alone. It can also be used to create functional and visually appealing storage solutions. Shelving units, books, bookcases, or even shoe racks can be crafted using plywood, allowing you to deculture your living area while adding a touch of rustic charm. As you remark in your playful design journey, safety should always be top priority. Ensure you have the necessary protective equipment, e-safety goggles, gloves, and the dust masks, making in the wall ventilated area are also circle, especially when cutting or sanding of wood. Don't forget to celebrate the imperfection of the unique character of each space of plate wood, embracing the knocks, cracks, and patina adds authentically and a sense of history of your creation. Each project will have its own story to tell. You design which showcase the beauty that lives within the humble material. Imagination source you can venture into the reclaim of playful design with the little creativity and the right techniques. You can turn discarded plate into the captivating work of art. Whether you are a signed woodworker or passionate DIY aesthetic, playful design offers sustainable and fulfilling a way to express your creativity while contributing to a greener world. Thanks for joining us the Playful Design Journey. Stay tuned for more exciting project tips and inspiration. Remember to check the video and subscribe to your channel to stay updated with the latest of the world of playful design. Until next time.